Rob Frazier here. So this video I wanted to talk about my 5-step plan that I cover in my Complete Freedom Facebook group. First, if you just come across me on YouTube, name's Rob Frazier, got out of Marine Corps, had 6 figures of debt, made a bunch of wrong decisions, got myself out of it, and have been making money on the internet full-time since 2015. My Complete Freedom Facebook group is where I keep guiding and mentoring and helping people who join me and my different programs. So this video I wanted to talk about my 5-step plan. And the reason why I put this whole thing together is because I've been involved in multiple programs. Some programs have got shut down. Some programs just didn't work out. Some programs just went ape shit. Pardon my language there. But basically, the reason I put this plan together is I'm tired of jumping through different programs and systems. I follow different leaders, and some people, they can join a new program every single week and make money in new programs every single week. I'm not one of those guys. I like long-term, stable, stability. If that's what you want, and if that's what you're looking for, and if you want something that you can duplicate with programs that are more statistically apt to be around for the long term, then I'm your guy, and this is your system. Each one of these different programs I'm going to introduce here in this particular video and in my Complete Freedom Facebook group are programs that have been around at least 3 years. One program has been around 30 plus years. One has been around 30 years, one has been around 7. The other has been around about 7 years, and the earliest or the latest program has been around for at least 3. But the company owner has been in this industry for a while. So the reason I put this together is because each of these programs offers something different and has a different type of compensation plan. We have programs that'll pay you right now, today. We have programs that'll pay you a strong residual income month after month, and we have a couple of programs right in the middle. So basically, we have a sweet spot. If you're in a situation, your back is against the wall, you need right now, today money, we got you. If you like building long-term and having residual income come in and not have to worry about getting daily sales, we got you. If you want that long-term residual income and you want to make right now, today money, daily sales, we got you. This is my plan. I cover this in my Complete Freedom Facebook group. And also underneath this video, you'll see the first step. So you'll be able to opt in, get on my email list, and then you'll see how I promote the rest of the pieces. So the first step, set up the Yellow Brick Road system. It consists of an instant cash paying program with a marketing system that provides free training, so you don't have to train people. You send your people to the free training. And the marketing system also gives you quicker residual. There's been some weeks I haven't done any work, and with that marketing system, I've been getting paid every single Wednesday. With the first step, the Yellow Brick Road system, instant cash paying business plus the marketing system, I've earned over $290,000 over the past couple of years. Income disclaimer, I've been following this plan for a while. So that is step 1. 2 different pieces, the instant cash paying business and the marketing system. Once you get the marketing system, you're going to have you'll be able to set up this whole Yellow Brick Road system for yourself. And with that leads me to step 2. Plug in a training. So step 1, set up the Yellow Brick Road system. Get that fast money. Fast, today money. Plus a residual income that builds pretty fast. Step 2, plug in a training. Every single Wednesday and Thursday, the Power Lead System hosts weekly hangouts. Every single Wednesday, it's at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard. 7 p.m. Pacific. Every single Thursday it's at the same time. This is some of the pages you'll get with our whole system here. Every single Thursday. What I do is I email these pages out every single Wednesday and Thursday, inviting people to the free training. And within the Yellow Brick Road system, we update this page with the Wednesday night training. So you can email out about the Wednesday night training, people can watch it, and they can decide to join you down here. And it'll take people through this whole system as well. So step 1, set up the Yellow Brick Road system. Step 2, plug into training. There's also the Wednesday and Thursday night training. Plus, we have something that's called Rank Makers. And in the back office of Power Lead System, you'll get access to something called Endless Free Leads. So basically, there's 4 places for you to go to get training. The Wednesday night training, the Thursday night training, Rank Makers, and Endless Free Leads. Those 4 training courses, places, Facebook groups will help you get people to this system, which leads me to step 3. Step 3, I call it slam traffic. What that means is simply getting enough people to see this page that's linked to you to make money. Just that simple. And we are not talking about 3-way calls. We're not doing hotel meetings. We are not making a list of our friends and families. We're not posting on Facebook all day. We're simply taking the training that you're going to learn Wednesday night, Thursday night, Rank Makers, Endless Free Leads, and when you reach out to me, I'll show you how to use paid traffic if you don't have time to work free traffic. I'll show you how to work paid traffic, and I'll show you how to work YouTube to get enough people to see your pages here to make money. So step 1, set up the Yellow Brick Road system. Hopefully you're taking notes. Step 2, plug into training. Step 3, slam traffic. Step 4, establish long-term residual income. Step 4 is a piece. This company has been around 30 plus years, very solid, and what we are doing here is focusing on the long term. Every single one of these companies, the instant cash paying business, been around 3 plus years. A lot of companies out there can't even say that. The marketing system, been around 5 plus years. I actually think it's been around closer to 7, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to just say 5 plus years. I know I've been working it for the past 5 plus years. So you're not coming in something that's fly by night. These are real, solid companies that have been around, that are established, have transparent company ownership, that aren't going anywhere. So, instant cash paying business, 3 plus years. The marketing system, at least 5. The residual income, long-term residual income plan. This company has been around 30 plus years. If you're going to join something and want to make money online, you want a sure thing. You don't want to be wasting your time, your reputation. You want something that's going to be there for the long term and has to make sense. That's why I added step 4, establish residual. Step 5, get support. This program has some trainings that I've been listening to for the past 5 plus years. I got out of Marine Corps. I was in 6 figures of debt, had a huge chip on my shoulder. I hated life, just doing a lot of bad, destructive things. But listening to the training here in step 5, and if you get on my email list, underneath this video, there's going to be a link to this system here, but you're going to get an email from me. And in that email, you'll see step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you click on step 5, you'll get access to this page. But listening to this program, I'm going to just click through here so you can see some of the audios. Actually, I'm going to click on this 3rd page here. These audios have changed my life. And you can also, get a free membership here. But these audios have changed my life. I listened to them hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times over the past few years. Got myself out of 6 figures of debt. Been traveling the world. I work from anywhere. Got a healthy kiddo. 19-month-old kiddo that I got to chase around all the time, and just things are totally different from me, and I owe it 100% to this program here. Now, these last two programs, Step 4 and 5, Step 4, long-term residual, and Step 5, get support, those two comp plans are, I don't want to say slower, but long-term residual. So you're not going to get right now, today money with those two pieces. However, when you take a step back and you look at this whole thing, we got an instant cash paying business that feels that need. We have a marketing system that pays you quick residual income, plus the ability to earn $100, $400, and $1,000 commissions as well. So if you're in a situation you're like, I would love to build something for the long term, but I just need some cash today to get me over so I can survive. That's why I have this whole plan here. So, Step 1, review. Set up the Yellow Brick Road system. Instant today money. Right now, today, I can put cash in my pocket today. Get myself out of a pinch. Pay the car bill, light bill, whatever. Quick residual with the marketing system. That's the second part of Step 1. Step 2, plug in a training. We got the Wednesday night, the Thursday night, rank makers, endless free leads, plug in a training. Step 3, slam traffic, apply the training basically from Wednesday night, Thursday night, rank makers, and endless free leads. Reach out to me, I'll show you how to use YouTube, and I'll show you how to use paid traffic so you can just multiply this whole thing. And I'll also show you how to use your YouTube with paid traffic. Step 4, establish residual. Step 5, get support. And when you combine all of that, we have the events you can show up to. We also have how you're going to pay to get to those events when you work this system. And it's just that right there is something that will sustain. Because if we have any issue with any one thing, which we won't because all of these programs have stood the test of time, we simply replace it and keep the same structure in place. So if you want something long term, you don't want to keep jumping to new deal after new deal after new deal. You want something consistent with some wheels on it that will go the distance. I'm your guy, and this is the system for you. Opt in below. You're going to see this system here. When you get the email, open it up. You'll see steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and where you can get that information. Also my Facebook group. My name's Rob Fraser. I'm here to help you, mentor you, get you to a place to where you're earning full-time income. I need people's testimonials. A lot of people keep jumping a program and program and program, and a lot of people want to build something long-term, but they just need some right now, today money to help them out. This is the system, and I'm your guy. Link is below. See you in the next